The best ways to disinfect your living room in the time of COVID-19. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. As the COVID-19 pandemic spreads around the world, it's a good time to understand how cleaning can help prevent the spread of disease and what you can do to cut the risk of infection in your home. If your social distancing routine has involved copious amounts of takeout and a few Amazon deliveries to your doorstep, you may have at some point wondered, what if the delivery worker is sick? Or the person who cooked the food? Is my stuff contaminated? It may still harbor contaminants that could affect your health. So, the best way to protect your family is to quite simply to clean your house. How to disinfect soft surface in the living room? When disinfecting shared living spaces, don't forget to treat soft surfaces like pillows and upholstered furniture as well as hard surfaces. Mattresses, pillows, and some bedding just can't be tossed in the washer. The same theory applies to any upholstered furniture. Use disinfecting spray on bed linens between changes to freshen the fabric and kill lingering bacteria, which is particularly important if someone is ill. How to disinfect hard surfaces in the living room? End tables, light switches, doorknobs can all become contaminated due to germs on our hands. While the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention or CDC recommends constant hand washing with water and soap for 20 seconds to curb the spread of germs, many people don't do it often enough or even effectively. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new healthy lifestyle videos. When that fails, try disinfecting spray to disinfect surfaces and offer 24 hours of protection from bacteria growth even after multiple touches. Spray the surface enough so it will stay wet for 5 minutes before air drying for the most protection. If you simply can't wait, and the surface needs cleaning as well as disinfecting, spray it on and let it sit for 5 seconds before drying the surface with a clean microfiber cloth. How to disinfect electronics? Phones, remotes, laptops, and keyboards hold on to every bacteria they encounter, and we all know they encounter a lot. You can use a disinfecting wipe to clean phone screens and other electronics. Just wipe down and allow the item to air dry. You can go wash your hands while you wait. Our living room is supposed to be where we can relax and recuperate from what we've encountered out in the world. Unfortunately, we wind up bringing in the living room all germs through dirty hands, shoes, clothing, and phones. Even if it looks clean, it may still harbor contaminants that could affect our health and our family. So the best way to protect our health and family in this time of COVID-19 is to keep our home properly cleaned and disinfected. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the top 3 areas in your house need to clean regularly to prevent coronavirus. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Eka Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.